Okay, this is the solutions to the even problems in the Chapter 8 Study Guide and Review on pages 459 through 462. Okay, so we'll start with number 12. It says to use the table that shows the cost of gas in different years. Is the relation a function? Explain. Remember, in order for something to be a function, each x value, in this case year, must be paired with only one y value, in this case cost. So for this one, if you look at each of the values in the table, there's no x value, there's no year that's paired with another, that's paired with more than one cost. So we'd say, yes, this is a function because each year for x value is paired with only one cost or y value. Okay, so let's go into number 18. The directions for 18 say to find 4 solutions of each equation. Write the solutions as ordered pairs. And for 18, the equation is y equals 4x. Okay, and you can pick any 4 numbers that you want for x. I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll substitute those values into this equation for x and figure out what y is. So when x is 1, we have 4 times 1 is 4, so y is 4. When x is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, that is 8. When x is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. And when x is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. And as ordered pairs, that would be 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, and 4, 16. Okay, number 24. It says to find the rate of change for the linear function shown below. Alright, so in that table, to find the rate of change, remember that's the same thing as slope, so you can do that using the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or you can just do that by subtracting the values in the table. Either one is fine. So if we look at the first 2 columns in the table, the difference in the y coordinates is 31 minus 0. And then the difference in the x coordinates is 4 minus 0. So it's 31 over 4. And when we divide those, we should get 7.75. So this is, let's see, money earned by time. So this would be $7.75 per hour. Alright, let's continue to number 30. Number 30 just says to find the slope of the line that passes through each pair of points. And for this one, the points are 6, negative 4, and negative 1, 10. So to find the slope, we'll use the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if it helps, you might want to label the points x1, y1, x2, y2. So when we plug our numbers in, that's 10 minus negative 4. And then negative 1 minus 6. 10 minus negative 4 is 14. Negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. And divide those via negative 2. Okay. Number 36 says to graph each equation using the slope and y-intercept, and here the equation is y equals negative x plus 4. So this is in the form y equals mx plus b. Now we're missing the number here, but we know that since there's no number in front of the x, we'll assume that's a 1. So we can see here that the slope is -1. And we can see here that the y-intercept is 4. Remember, you have to start here when you graph. You have to start at the y-intercept. You cannot start with the slope. So we know that the line crosses the y-axis at 4. So on the y-axis, we'll go up to 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the slope is -1. That's the same as -1 over 1, which means we're going down 1 and to the right 1 from this point. So down 1 and to the right 1. Down 1 to the right 1. Okay, and we could keep going on and on, but that's definitely enough points to make a line. Okay, so your line should look something like that. Okay, number 42 says to write an equation in slope-intercept form for each line, and it tells you that the slope for this one is 3/4, and the y-intercept is -1. Okay. So we want this in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. We know the slope is m, so this will replace the m. And we know the y-intercept is b, so this will replace the b. So y equals 3/4 x, and then plus -1, or just -1. Okay. Last one. Number 48. The directions say the table shows the changes in the average concert ticket prices. Part A says to make a scatter plot and draw a line of fit for the data. Now you should be able to do that portion in the calculator using the directions you were given in class on Friday. So use the calculator to calculate the line of best fit. And if you did that correctly, your equation should be y equals 6.57x plus 22.86. And then part B says to use the line of fit to predict the median price. Oh, wrong problem, sorry. Use the line of fit to predict the average price of a concert ticket in 2015. Okay. And the years in this problem were represented with just the last 2 digits, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So when we plug in 2015, we're actually just going to want to put in 15. So y equals 6.57 times 15 plus 22.86. And if we multiply these two and add this, it comes out to approximately $121. Okay, that is it.